In this quick video, I am going to show you how to turn off iPhone 11 without buttons. I mean without the help of side button and volume up and down buttons. Let's see how to do that. Actually, there is two ways you can do that. First way, it's usual. Then second way is the main thing. So just watch this video until end. First way, if your side button doesn't work, but your iPhone screen works fine means, just open Settings app and then scroll down a little bit. Then you can see this option General. Open that. Then scroll down to the end. Then at the bottom you can see this option Shutdown. Just click that. Yeah, if you slide this to right, then your iPhone will be turned off. For me, I don't need that, so just cancel this. Let's see the second way. For this process, you need a OTG. This Lightning OTG is for up to iPhone 14, and this Type-C OTG is for iPhone 15 and above model. I will leave both of this product link in the description. If you want, you can buy that. Then second, you need a computer mouse. It may be a wired one or wireless one or RGB or Bluetooth mouse. You can use any computer mouse. Let's see how to connect those things. First, take your OTG and mouse and just connect like this. If it's a Type-C OTG, just connect this Type-C OTG on mouse, and then take your iPhone and connect this small end on your iPhone charging port. You can connect like this or this. Both ways works fine. You just connect like this. Yeah, now you can see the light. Now your iPhone and mouse was connected. Okay, now you can use the mouse like this, but you didn't see the pointer. If you turned on the pointer, it's very much easy to do this process. So just ask Siri to turn off the pointer. Hey Siri, turn on Assistive Touch. Now you can see when you turn on the Assistive Touch, you can see the pointer. I just moving like this. Okay. After this, you need to open the Settings app. Just place the pointer over Settings app and double click here. Now scroll up the mouse a little bit. Then you can see this option General. Just click that. Then scroll up the mouse to the end. Then you will see the shutdown option. Just click that. Yeah. Now long press your left mouse click and move towards right. That's it. Now your iPhone 11 was powered off. You can see there is no response. Now just unplug this. And this is how you can turn off iPhone 11 when the buttons was not working. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.